Gasp! Time to brush. Looking good. All fresh.
Morning, everyone. Oh, whoa, easy there, big fella. Bet you can't catch me.
Time to harvest some delicious carrots and potatoes. Let's get to work.
Look what I found. A perfect, fresh carrot. It's beautiful. Footprints, fabric, tires. They're close. Almost there, little bird. Huh? Wait, that's not right. Where is everyone?
Please. Bubbles.
Oh, it's just foam.
We did it. Oops. Ready? Are you there? Need your help. Fast.
Time to start the search. Let's check the hedges. We'll find it. Now we look by the pond. Nothing here. Try the barn loft. Looks like we found it.
Man. Oh, yes. That's the stuff. Hopefully this works. Come home soon.
I saw it move. Stay quiet. This is it. No. Copy that. Ready when you are.
Yum, this is delicious. Absolutely amazing. Ooh, that's it, perfection. Yes.
Where'd they go? That sounded close. They must have escaped. We need to find them. I need the police. Immediately. It's an emergency. Yes, 911, I'm at the old mill. Please hurry.
Gotta hide these. She'll find them. Just a little further. Almost out.
Aha! I think these are the right tracks.
Lead the way, my friend. I'm right behind you.
Police! Come out with your hands up!
All of yours!
Anyone here? Is someone in there?
Police!
Show yourselves now!
Police!
No! They're here! No! Stay! Don't move! But they're getting closer! I can't stay!
Torn fabric, mud, and feathers. Something's not right here.
Police! Hands up! You are under arrest! Drop the weapon!
Look, I know you messed up, but it's not too late. You can still make things right.
You really think so? Don't worry, little one. We'll help you. We'll make sure you're safe.
All right, team, we did it! Yes, we did. Together we grow. I never thought I'd be here, but here you are. Let's do another one. Okay. Time for bed, little ones. Sleep well. Good night. I needed this. I needed this.
Me too, friend.
Just the stars and us.
Welcome, everyone, to the best festival ever.
So glad you could all make it.
Line it up like this. See?
I see.
All right, your turn. Careful, like this.
Wah, you did it.
All right, new plank in. Ready the wire. Perfect, we did it. Teamwork makes the dream work.
I found it. I found the stolen chicken.
Here are the items I took. I'm really sorry. I appreciate you returning them. How would you like a job here on the farm? A job? Yes, please. Welcome aboard, kiddo.
Woohoo! This is amazing! Look at this view!
Let's go! Fast, fast!
Together again. This feels right.